Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Irish Kitchen, where I do family friendly recipes that everyone can enjoy. So today's video is for healthy aubergine stuffed with bolognese. So sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. Now we take a heavy base saucepan and we're going to spray in some low calorie cooking oil. Just bring that up to a medium heat, and into that we're going to add some chopped onion, some crushed garlic, some diced carrot, some diced celery, and some diced red pepper. Give that a stir around, cook it for about 5 minutes until the vegetables start to soften. Now once the vegetables are softened, we're going to add our minced beef. Give that a good mix round, just break up any lumps. And we'll let it cook for about 5 minutes. Now folks, if you find value in my videos, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. It does help the channel and I can make more videos for you. Now we're going to make our sauce. So we're going to add some plum tomatoes, some beef stock, obviously homemade is best, but if you can't, just use a stock cube, and some tomato puree. Give that a stir around, bring it to the boil, reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 40 minutes. Now we're over to our aubergine. So we take our aubergine, or an eggplant if you're in America, cut it down the middle, pop it onto a roasting tray, give it a spray with some low calorie cooking oil, and then we're going to take a sharp knife and just slice the inside of it. If you just crisscross cut it like this, it's easier to scoop out whenever it's cooked. Just leave about 1 centimeter from the side so as you're not going right through the aubergine. And now we'll take it over to our oven. So the oven's preheated to 200 degrees centigrade, 180 fan, and we'll pop the aubergine in for about 20 minutes. Now that our bolognese is cooked and thickened, as you can see, just take it over and we're going to remove the aubergine now that it's cooked from the oven. So now we're going to scoop the aubergine out, and as I said earlier, this makes it easier to do. So just scoop out all the flesh, pop it into the bolognese mixture. We'll do that with both sides. It's easier to do this with a spoon and fork because the aubergine is quite hot with it being just out of the oven. Now that both our aubergines are done, we're going to add some basil as well. And now we'll take the mixture and just pop it back in on top of the aubergines. I put plenty of filling in them because they are quite a hearty meal. And now we're going to top that with some freshly grated parmesan cheese. Now we'll take these back over to the oven. We're going to pop them in for another 20 minutes, maybe 25 minutes, just until everything's cooked, the parmesan is melted, and now they're ready to serve. So I just served mine with some homemade garlic bread. I'll leave a link in the description down below. Now folks, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my further videos.